In this video, I will guide you to how you can connect custom domain to Replit AI. So now this is really easy and you just have to follow my steps and then you will learn how you can do it. So firstly, we want to open our app or your project for which you want to add your custom domain. So I have this currency converter. So I will open it. And right now, if you are in the preview, you want to firstly publish your project. So you need to click on publish and then you're gonna need to publish it. And once your app is published, you will see this status. It's published about 10 hours ago. So you will have like about 1 minute ago. And now we can click on this domains section over here. From here, you can see your current default Replit domain. And in order to add custom one, just click on connect your own domain. And then you want to paste your domain name, which you want to use. So I already prepared a GoDaddy domain for this example, and we want to choose our domain. So I have this checkmark academy.online. I'm gonna paste it in, click next. And now we just want to update our DNS records. So if you don't have GoDaddy, if you have Hostinger or Namecheap or Porkbun domain, it works same for all domain providers. So you just have to copy those two records and add them in your DNS records in your provider. So firstly, the first record is A, this is name, and this is the value. So I'm gonna copy value. And in your DNS settings, you want to add this new record. And keep in mind, if you have existing A record or TXT, you want to remove them because it can mess them and then it's not going to work. So I will firstly remove my existing records. Now we can click on add new record, choose type A, name this symbol and paste the value, then click save. First record added successfully. Now we can go to second one, and the second one is txt. This is the name and this is the value. So I'm going to copy the value, add a new record, choose txt, paste the symbol and paste the value, save. And once you have those records added like this, you can go back to Replit, click on link. And now as you can see, it's already detected that it's from GoDaddy and it's showing verifying. If you want to check more details about this status, you can click on manage. And from here you can see that it's currently checking for DNS record. Then it's going to make routing update and also SSL certificate. So your site is going to be secured. And once all of those three things are completed, you will see over here, instead verifying, it's verified and it's going to be green. And then you can try your domain and you can try it in your new window and it's going to work. So this is how you can connect custom domain to Replit AI. So you just have to wait, and this can take up to 48 hours, but in most cases it's going to be done within 1 hour. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.